You wake up tired. Again. Even though you slept 7 hours. The coffee helps for maybe an hour, then you're dragging yourself through the day. Here's what nobody's telling you, that exhaustion isn't just age. Your body is being hijacked by a hormone that's systematically dismantling your energy, your drive, and your testosterone. I'm talking about cortisol. And if you're over 40, you need to understand what's happening. Because what you think is just stress is actually rewiring your biology. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why you feel this way and what to do about it. But first, if you're a man over 40 who's tired of feeling tired, hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is dedicated to giving you the truth about men's health that nobody else is talking about. The cortisol-testosterone war. Let me explain what's actually happening inside your body. Testosterone and cortisol. Two hormones fighting for control of the same resources. When you're stressed, your body floods with cortisol. Doesn't matter if it's traffic or a real threat. It just knows, danger detected. Here's the problem. Cortisol and testosterone are made from the same building blocks. Same raw material, cholesterol. But your body can only make so much at once. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. It's a seesaw. At 25, your testosterone is so high you've got plenty to spare. But after 40? You're already losing about 1% every year just from aging. Add chronic stress on top of that and you're in a completely different game. Think about it this way. You've got a bank account with a fixed income that decreases 1% every year. Now someone's making withdrawals every single day. Multiple times a day. How long before you're broke? That's what's happening with your testosterone right now. Your baseline is already lower. Then you add work stress, financial pressure, relationship tension, aging parents, health worries. Your cortisol is constantly elevated. Day after day. And your testosterone doesn't just drop a little. It crashes. The symptoms you're ignoring. Be honest with yourself. Do you feel as sharp as you did 5 years ago? Same energy at the gym? Is your sex drive what it used to be? Most guys brush this off. I'm getting older. Yeah, that's true. But it doesn't mean it's normal. And it definitely doesn't mean you have to accept it. You're tired all the time. Wake up tired. Need caffeine to feel human. By 2 p.m. you're fighting to keep your eyes open. You used to work out after work. Now? Forget it. Brain fog. Walking into rooms and forgetting why. Names slip your mind. Searching for words mid-sentence. Muscle loss. Working out the same amount but getting softer. Arms look smaller. Gaining weight around your midsection even though you're eating the same. Mood changes. Irritable. Short with your wife. Snapping at your kids. Little things set you off. And underneath it all, you're just tired of feeling this way. Low libido. Hard to admit. But your sex drive isn't what it was. Morning erections are rare. Spontaneous desire is gone. When you are interested, things don't work like they should. These symptoms creep in slowly. One by one. You adapt to each new normal. Until one day you don't recognize the man in the mirror. And most doctors will tell you you're within normal range so you're fine. But normal for a 45-year-old isn't optimal. Normal just means you're not dying. It doesn't mean you're thriving. If any of these symptoms hit home, drop a comment below and let me know which one you're struggling with most. You're not alone in this. The Cascade Effect. It gets worse. Stress triggers this whole cascade of problems that feed into each other. Sleep disruption. High cortisol messes with your sleep. Cortisol should be low at night when your body recovers. That's when testosterone is produced. Most of it happens during REM sleep. But chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated. You can't fall asleep or you wake at 3 a.m. with your mind racing. No deep sleep means no testosterone production. You wake up even more depleted. Insulin resistance. High cortisol spikes blood sugar. Your blood sugar goes up, insulin gets released, but over time your cells stop responding. Now you're heading toward prediabetes. And insulin resistance directly interferes with testosterone. Inflammation. Chronic stress triggers inflammation throughout your body. Inflammation is kryptonite for testosterone. Your body diverts resources away from testosterone production to deal with the perceived threat. The vicious cycle. Poor sleep makes you more stressed. More stress raises cortisol. High cortisol disrupts sleep more. It causes insulin resistance and inflammation, which both lower testosterone. Low testosterone makes it harder to build muscle and easier to gain fat. More body fat increases inflammation. See how this works? Each problem makes the others worse. It's quicksand. Why this hits differently after 40? You've dealt with stress before. Why is this hitting you so hard now? When you were younger, your body had buffers. High testosterone. Better insulin sensitivity. Efficient cortisol regulation. Deeper sleep. Faster recovery. You could burn the candle at both ends and bounce back. After 40, those buffers are gone. Your testosterone is already declining. Your stress response system has been working for 4 decades. It doesn't regulate cortisol as efficiently anymore. Your sleep quality decreases. Your inflammation baseline is higher. The same stress you used to handle with no problem now overwhelms your system. Think about it like a car. At 25, you're driving a brand new car. You can skip maintenance and it keeps running. At 45, you've got 200,000 miles on it. If you keep driving it the same way, things break down fast. The lifestyle that got you to 40 won't get you to 60 feeling good. The rules changed and nobody told you. The practical solution. Enough doom and gloom. Here's what you can actually do. This is all fixable. But you have to be strategic. And listen, I've put together a complete downloadable checklist with all these steps, supplement recommendations, and lab testing guide in the description below. Grab that now so you can follow along. Step 1. Fix your sleep, first priority. Sleep is where testosterone is made. If you don't fix this, nothing else matters. Set a hard bedtime. Same time every night. Even weekends. No screens 60 minutes before bed. Read a physical book. Make your room cold. 65 to 67 degrees. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams, 1 hour before bed. Game changer for sleep and cortisol. Within 2 weeks, you'll fall asleep faster. Within a month, you'll wake up actually rested. This alone can improve testosterone by 15 to 20%. Step 2. Strategic nutrition. Protein, 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Every day. Breakfast needs at least 30 grams. That's for eggs or a big protein shake. Healthy fats, your hormones are made from cholesterol. You need fat. Real butter. Olive oil. Avocados. Fatty fish. Aim for 20 to 30% of calories from fat. Best foods for testosterone. Oysters, highest zinc content. Grass-fed beef, zinc, B vitamins, cholesterol. Eggs, cholesterol, vitamin D. Dark leafy greens, magnesium. Pomegranate. Avoid alcohol. Limit to 2 to 3 drinks per week maximum. Sugar and processed carbs. Spike insulin, block testosterone. Step 3, movement, the right kind. Stop working out like you're 25. That's raising cortisol and destroying testosterone. What works? Heavy resistance training, 3 to 4 days a week. Squats, deadlifts, bench, rows. Sets of 5 to 8 representatives. Keep workouts under 60 minutes. After that, cortisol spikes. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Magic for cortisol regulation. Sprint intervals once or twice a week. 8 to 10 seconds all out, 2 minutes rest. Repeat 6 to 8 times. Avoid long distance cardio. Raises cortisol through the roof. Daily high intensity workouts. You can't recover from that anymore. Step 4, stress management. You can do everything else right, but if you don't actively manage stress, you're still cooked. Daily. 10 minutes of box breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Repeat. This instantly lowers cortisol. Get sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking. Set your circadian rhythm. Spend 20 minutes in nature. Weekly. Sauna or hot bath 2 to 3 times a week. Cold exposure. Start with 30-second cold showers, work up to 2 to 3 minutes. Mindset. Stop glorifying busy. Being overwhelmed isn't a badge of honor. It's killing you. Learn to say no. Protect your energy like it's your most valuable resource. Because it is. Step 5, strategic supplements. Foundation. Vitamin D3, 5000 IU, with K2, 100 micrograms daily. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams before bed. Omega-3s, 2 to 3 grams daily. Zinc, 25 to 30 milligrams daily with food. Consider adding ashwagandha, 600 milligrams daily, lowers cortisol, supports testosterone. Creatine, 5 grams daily. Important, get tested first. Know your baseline testosterone, vitamin D, magnesium, thyroid. Costs $200 to $300. Worth every penny. I've linked my recommended at-home testing labs in the description. No doctor's visit needed. Get your numbers, know where you stand. The 30-day challenge. Give me 30 days. Actually implement this. Week 1, fix sleep routine. Add morning sunlight, 10 minutes breathing work, magnesium at night. Week 2, dial in protein, add testosterone supporting foods, cut alcohol, remove processed foods. Week 3, start resistance training 3 days, hit 8,000 steps daily, add 1 sprint session. Week 4, add supplements, implement sauna or cold exposure, schedule lab work. Track these daily: morning energy, sleep quality, workout performance, libido, mood stability. Write them down. When you start feeling better, you'll forget how bad you felt. Want accountability? Drop a comment right now committing to this 30-day challenge. Tell me you're starting today. I'll be checking the comments and I want to hear your progress. Nobody's coming to save you. Your doctor won't catch this until it's severe. Society doesn't care that you're tired. The world keeps demanding more. But you can't pour from an empty cup. And right now, your cup is empty. The stress you've been carrying is literally changing your biology. But you have more control than you think. You're at a crossroads. Keep doing what you're doing and fade over the next decade. Or draw a line in the sand and say, not me. Not anymore. Your energy, your strength, your drive, it's not gone. It's just buried under years of stress and bad information. Start tonight. Fix your sleep. Just that one thing. Tomorrow, add the next thing. Small changes. Compounded daily. That's how you get your life back. If this video helped you, do me a favor, share it with one other guy who needs to hear this. Your buddy who's always tired. Your brother who's struggling. We're all in this together. And make sure you're subscribed because we're not done with this health, energy systems series. Next up, I'm exposing the one thing your doctor isn't testing that's quietly sabotaging everything we just talked about. This is the missing piece that explains why some guys do everything right and still feel like garbage. You're not going to want to miss this. Now get to work.